Nature has a way of astounding us, producing unexpected moments of pure magic from clouds forming to the tide ebbing and flowing. Nature has the ability to fill us with wonder and in the process brighten our lives with the miraculous. Above all, nature has the power to transform, slowly but surely changing everything it touches. It ebbs and reduces, taking away volume, leaving the marks of passing time. But nature also has the magical power to regenerate, to invigorate, and to restore. As time passes, nature also has a transformative effect on our own appearance. Faces can lose some of their collagen, and folds and wrinkles may appear around our nose and mouth. Radiesse has found a way to use a little restorative magic to return that lost collagen, to give you back a natural, younger look immediately, and to keep that look for a long time. Radiesse is unlike many treatments that have come before it. It really does seem to work like magic because it's effective immediately and then continues to work with your own body to produce a lasting natural look and feel. The treatment is so simple it can be performed over a lunch hour and the transformation is noticeable right away. The natural youthful look stays with you. For many patients, this effect may last a year or more. If it seems like magic, that's because it really does have a magic ingredient, and that ingredient is you. Because your own body works in partnership with Radiesse in a remarkable way. The science behind this magic involves a process called collagenesis. Radiesse magically starts this process by stimulating collagen production in your body and encouraging collagen to grow around the injection area. Radiesse contains smooth microspheres that are injected into the skin through a simple, safe, and minimally invasive procedure. Once it's injected, our little microspheres make a big difference. They add volume to Radiesse, optimizing its immediate effectiveness at smoothing out wrinkles and folds. This unique feature of Radiesse is truly a wonder of nature, helping your body create its own naturally younger look by combining our microspheres with your own natural collagen. Unlike common creams and lotions, the effects are noticeable right away. And because of our unique microspheres, the natural results are long-lasting. In fact, for many patients, one injection can last up to a year or longer, and that can mean fewer treatments and fewer doctor visits to get that fresh, natural look you want. Radiesse is FDA approved and has proven to be safe and effective through years of clinical studies and independent research. In fact, allergy testing isn't needed prior to treatment. If you've witnessed the arrival of spring after a long winter or the effect of rainfall on parched earth, you understand the awesome transformative power of nature. Well, thanks to the magic of Radiesse, that power can work similar wonders on the way you look and the way you feel about yourself. Radiesse is the treatment that helps you become a magic ingredient, working in harmony with your own body to stimulate collagen growth and transform the way you look in a way that is so natural it will fill you with wonder.